Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Apple ID account could not be created at this time. Alright, the first thing you need to do here is to open up your settings app and make sure that you have installed the latest iOS update for your device. Once done, you're going to want to go ahead and go to your settings app again and locate date and time. Alright, just make sure to set the date and time automatically and make sure to select the correct time zone. Once done, hit on back. Settings, go ahead and create your account. Now if that still won't work, you may want to go ahead and go to your Safari or any browser that is installed on your phone. Then go ahead and go to appleid.apple.com. Once done, just hit on go and wait for the site to load. Now once you're in here, just go ahead and tap on this drop down right here at the top right and simply tap on create your Apple account. Alright, once done creating your account, just go ahead and sign in right here at settings app. Tap on this Apple ID right here and you should be good to go. Now if that will work, well, you're going to want to go to the general settings again, scroll down until you see transfer or reset iPhone. Just go ahead and tap on that, and you may want to try to erase all content and settings. Alright, or for now you may want to try just reset. Wait for the process to finish and try logging back in the Apple ID section. And that's basically it. I hope this video helps some. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends, and if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.